Are you tired of that low-hanging belly fat, your outer thigh fat, inner thigh fat, which actually causes chub rub and a lot of discomfort along with your fatty hips, and you're looking to get back in shape with just one simple combination exercise? Then this is your one-stop shop. I bring to you an easy and effective, a combination exercise which will work on all these areas together to finally bring you back in shape. Having a disproportionate body is the most unwanted thing to have on anybody's wish list. If you have a absolutely in shape upper body but the lower body fat just gives it all away, and you know that fat is bulging out from every nook and corner, whether you sit in a chair, you're not able to. The chub rub between your inner thighs just causes a lot of friction and redness. It's so uncomfortable. I've got absolutely the right exercise for you which you can do day in, day out in the comfort of your own home. Now this is completely beginner friendly. You don't need to lay on the floor, do strenuous exercises. This is absolutely easy to follow along. Just have to play on the video and do it with me. Let's get on with these exercises. What are we waiting for? So let's begin with a 30-second warm-up, which is very important before we start any exercise. You have to come in this position as if marching. Lift your legs up and let's march. For the first exercise, you have to sit straight in a chair, then you have to put your hands like this, absolutely straight, and you have to try and join your knees together, but with your knees working outwards simultaneously. It's going to cause a tension between your palm and your knees. You have to try and open it. It won't be a very far thigh area. So you have to pull your knees inwards with your hands pushing inwards, but your knees have to be pushing outwards. So this will work simultaneously, cause a friction, and slowly you have to separate your knees and bring them together, finally affecting the outer thigh area. Let's do it together. Keep your core tight so you can actually feel the strain all across your hip, your thigh, your entire leg region. Try and get all the strength you can from your legs. Push it outwards. Don't let your arms work against it. And with this, you've managed to work your outer thigh area. Let's do the inner thigh. For the inner thigh exercise, you're going to put your palms like this, backwards facing each other, and now you have to push it out with your actually legs trying to push inwards now. So the motion in the previous exercise has reversed completely. You're going to push it out, but your legs are wanting to push it in. This is absolutely working strange and hard on the inner thigh area. The chub rub. And finally, now you can achieve a gap between your inner thighs if you do this on a daily basis. Just keep your core tight. Get all the strength you can into your leg. And see the magic work. You will feel an immediate tightness in your inner thighs, your hip region, the entire leg region. Perfect. Now for the next exercise, this is again a very effective combination exercise to get rid of your lower belly, your thigh, outer, inner, your hip fat entirely. So with this exercise, you have to sit straight in the chair. You have to take your hands up like this. Along with it, lift your knees, bring it down together, and then again, exhale when you go up. Inhale. Let's do it together. For the next exercise, you have to sit at the edge of the chair. You have to keep your arms like this. Don't have droopy elbows. Should be coming up to your chest level. Lift your leg up. Take it in. Then again lift it all the way up. With absolutely controlled movements, you have to do this exercise. It's very effective for your lower belly and the entire leg region along with the hip area. Let's do it together. Now for the next exercise, you have to sit again at the edge of the chair. Keep your core tight. Now take one leg forward with your toe turning inwards. And now you have to again come in this position. No droopy elbows. Bring it to your chest level. Lift your leg high and hold it to this position. Go sideways and then down. Keep one leg stationary and the other one's going to support you with the sideways movement. Let's do it together. Having done these exercises already, I'd surely feel a strain around my thigh area, this entire inner thigh, outer thigh area, the lower belly area and the hip region. I'm sure you're bound to feel the same strain, and you're sure to get a toned and tightened body which is completely in proportion. So now no need to feel anxious over your lower body fat being a little bit more heavier. Now you can get it all back in shape without getting under the knife or taking pills or any special extra medication for it. All you need to do is follow clean eating habits, and that's just enough. For people who don't have time, they can actually follow repetitive meal plans where they can actually create batch meals and eat throughout the week. And if you need special attention, special care, a little bit more planning, you can join my weight loss program, which is absolutely an amazing way to lose your full body fat, get back in shape with the support of a team. Because I create a team for you, a counselor and a dietitian along with my support, so that you finally get back in shape. Many people who have joined my program have seen extensively amazing results only because they were determined. And even if you're not determined, we are here to motivate you. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video for as many people who need help. I'm going to see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.